Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the community of Bridge Creek, which is located in Cypress, Texas. This beautiful home that we are viewing is built by Taylor Morris. It is called the Azalea. The Azalea is going to be a one-story, four-bedroom, three-bath home. It is a little under 2,000 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the low $400,000 range. Now, if you are interested in what schools this home is going to be zoned to, it is going to be in the Cypher ISD district, and it's going to be Bird Elementary, Smith Middle School, Cy Ranch High School, and that is going to be for 9th and 10th graders only, and Bridgeland High School, 11th and 12th graders. Now, the unique thing about this particular community, it is considered a master plan community. It is not the typical master plan community like in Siena, where they have all the amenities within the communities. This community is connected to other communities around that you are able to go and utilize their facilities. Those communities are Canyon Lake West, Maramisa, Bridge Creek, and Marvita, which is a very big community and is a new community. If you have any questions regarding this community, this builder, or any other real estate questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly tours. Have a wonderful day.